And it is day 2 of our Ocean Shores vacation. If you guys don't know where Ocean Shores is, it's like somewhere around Olympia. It's like between Olympia and like the mountains. So it's like near the capital. We are about to go down to the beach, each. Nicki Minaj. I'm so sorry. So yeah, we're heading right now. We've got like this little path. It's gonna like lead down to the beach, which is over there. If you wanna go. And the path is actually like really. The path is actually like it's not a long walk, but it's pretty. It's about a little bit of a way. We're the ocean is actually over there. You guys can hear it. Besides the talking in front of me, but that's the ocean in the background that you're hearing. So we're really close, and this is our little place that we're staying at. It's not all of it. That's not the entire thing. We only have like a little section, and it's starting to rain. That's okay. We've been having really bad weather because it's just been cloudy and stuff like that. And I'm walking on sand because, like I said, we're near the beach. There are also lots of deer, as you saw in my video of Noah intimidating the deer. But we're actually having a good time so far. We went to the thrift store today. We went to a toy store. We rode bikes. I didn't ride the bikes because I did not feel comfortable, but I did go to the store. Got some clothes. I got a new sweater. I got some stuff from the thrift store, which was like a giant shark mouth in it. There was like a giant shark at the entrance. If we pass it tomorrow, I will show you guys. But I got like earrings. Also, I don't know if you can see that, but that's a deer. Right there. Yeah. We had this game called Oh Deer. And it's to see how many deer we've found. We found 17, right? 18. Oh, I didn't see the second one. The 18 deer as a total family. We have now made it. Also, I just got sand in my shoe and it's really bad. But that's the ocean. There's Mom walking towards the ocean, and then there's Noah with Milo. I don't think I've actually introduced Milo to you. If you guys do not know who Milo is my mom's fiance's son, and yes, my mom is engaged. She is going to get married. We will talk about that in a different video because I don't want to get into details now. Oh, look at the birds. The waves. You can hear the waves. This is the beautiful ocean. We're here. It is home. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Or no. You just did an awesome cartwheel. That's Milo. Did you just get in the water?
No!
Did you go in the water?
Did I go in the water? Yes, I'm about to swim in it.
Good luck. Don't get cast away.
Water's out, guns out.
Movie reference if you've seen that movie. Let me know.
No, we're gonna run over.
Well,
It's cold.
yep, it's freezing. And he's going again! Round 2. Okay, so it is Thursday night. We are here until Saturday. And then we get back. And then on Wednesday I have school. Start of senior year, and it will be Noah's first year of high school. He is going to be a freshman. So this is like the last year of school that I get to be with my brother. Kind of sad about that, but at least I'll see him around. Maybe we'll have the same lunch, and I'll see him and his friends and say hi. And fingers crossed that this year goes great for him. My freshman year was really bad. Divorce and everything. Yeah. I'll do a life update video a different time, but I just want to spend vacation. That's my mom's fiance. Talk about it in a different video, okay? Alright guys, it's getting cold and I think I'm going to wrap this video up. If you guys like this video, please make sure to hit the thumbs up button. And if you are subscribed but are not notified, meaning that the bell icon is not clicked, click on the bell notifications. That way you'll be notified for whenever I upload a new video. And without anything else, besides leaving comments in the videos down in the description down below, if the comments, not the description, the comments area, if the comments section is actually working, because YouTube doesn't disable those comments, comment down below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow with another video coming your way, hopefully very soon. Bye guys!